Hey all, this is Paul with Two Birds, One Stone Backyard Gardening Living. Let me tell you a really quick story. I've had this Meyer lemon tree and I was so proud of it. Zone 8B, it's done, it's dead. It made it through 2 winters here. This spring, it was putting on a little bit of new growth, and then we've had a horrible Pacific Northwest spring and early summer where it's just cold as hell, and it just couldn't pull out of it. I'm not sure why it's died. Let's take a look.
Vivo mi vida en la tierra. La tierra es lo que sé.
It was so sad because I had high hopes for it coming back. Got back from a fire, and that's when I realized it's completely dead. I still had hopes, and it's done. It's just had a life of suffering here in Zone 8B. I stopped at a casino, and I bought a replacement. So I'm going to plant this replacement, and I'm going to keep trying. So the moral of this story is plants die. I try to figure out why. I'm not exactly sure. It's got well-draining soil here. It's covered. Don't give up. Keep trying. It made it through some horrible, harsh conditions. You know, lemon trees are not supposed to grow in Port Angeles, Washington. But I'm going to keep trying. But wait a second. I don't want to just show you failure. So this is a failure, and don't get too upset about it. I can't get too upset about it. I was, because I put a lot of effort and worry and strife into this Meyer lemon. But the truth is, it's just a plant. I'm not going to anthropomorphize my plants. So here's a clip of a nice one. And here we have a kumquat. Over there, I actually have the Sudachi Yuzu hybrid with new growth. Come with me real quick to the greenhouse.
¿Por qué brilla la luna llena? Yo no sé. ¿Por qué toma el ave vuelo? Yo no sé.
Blueberries, right? Instead of lemons. Makes sense in Port Angeles. So you plant some things that you know are going to grow well, and then you try your hand at strange things. Okitsuwasi, Tatsuma, mandarin, Emmy's favorite. And over here, another mandarin. Don't give up. Keep trying. Two birds, one stone, backyard gardening.
Yo no sé.